Today, we're making the juiciest smash burger you've ever seen. Right on the grill. No fancy tools, no fluff, just pure burger perfection. Start with high-quality ground beef. 80-20 is perfect. Roll it into loose balls. Don't pack them too tight, or they'll turn into meat hockey pucks. Get your grill ripping hot. Cast iron or griddle plate works best. You want that surface screaming hot. Place the meatball on the grill, then smash it down hard. This is where the magic happens. Crispy edges, juicy inside. Season generously with salt and pepper. That's all you need. Let the beef shine. Flip once, add cheese, and let it melt. American cheese works best. Creamy and gooey. Toast your buns, add sauce, lettuce, tomato, and stack that cheesy smash burger right in the middle. Perfection. And there you have it. The ultimate smash burger on the grill. Crispy, cheesy, juicy, and ridiculously easy. If you love barbecue hacks and recipes, hit subscribe and join the Barbecue Nerds family.